rutabaga harvest. First year growing these. I did have bought them and tried them beforehand, so I'm pretty pleased with that. To pack these up and put them in storage now. If you saw me harvest those rutabagas, you may be thinking, how do you eat them? As I said, I did not grow up eating these, but because I have tried different recipes in this cookbook, I did buy rutabaga once and make one of the recipes in the cookbook, which is what I'm going to do with it today. This is Nourishing Traditions, written by Sally Fallon, who's now Sally Fallon Morell. She is one of the leaders of the Weston Price Foundation. On page 393, there is a recipe for a winter root medley, and it has parsnips, turnips, rutabaga, sauteed in butter and extra virgin olive oil, and it's that simple. Could not find parsnips in the grocery store last week when I did my shopping, so I'm going to use carrots, and I have them peeled and cut into sticks per the recipe, and my homegrown turnips peeled and cut into quarters. I actually cut them into eighths because I like them a little smaller than quarters, and my rutabaga is peeled and cut into chunks. And I've got some butter and olive oil here melted in my frying pan. So now I've got all the vegetables in the frying pan with the melted butter and oil. I'm just going to stir these up. Try to do this with one hand. Basically it. We're just gonna saute these up until they're done, and I will show you what they look like when they're all finished. As you can see, things are starting to brown up a bit. The turnips are browning up. Oops, sorry, fogging up there. And the carrots. And they're not quite softened up yet, so we'll let them cook a little longer. I had a thought that, like, as I read previously in the recipe, this calls for parsnips, but I don't have parsnips. I used carrots. If I had used parsnips, this entire dish would be comprised of all white vegetables, and I think the carrots add nice color variation. I'll check back in with you when they're done. And there's our finished product, served up with some chicken thighs baked in butter, fresh sage from the garden, and fresh garlic, salt, and pepper. Simple food, prepared simply. And I'm going to go call my husband so we can eat.